Welcome back to another video, everybody. And today, we're back at a spot we fished very recently. We're back with Sebastian again. And today, we're thinking of doing a little biggest bass challenge because yesterday, a lot of smack was talked. So today, we're gonna prove that who's that ultimate smack talker, who's the best fisherman of the day at least. See who gets the biggest one. There's also a storm coming in behind us, so GoPro, I don't know what this did. This might limit our fishing time. But we're just gonna get started, see who gets the biggest fish, and see what the storm does to the fish. Maybe we'll turn them on or send them deep. I don't really know. Let's find out though.
2 ounces, I'll give you that.
A nice 2 ounce fish. Hey, at least my Senko's still on.
Yeah, true.
At least for now.
I think we get another 1 or 2 ounces. This is like a nursery pool right here.
Let's go. Hold him real close. Giant, guys. What the hell? Gosh, I saw this guy just come out of nowhere and eat it. Again, a small one. Well, this guy's not really gonna help me, but gets my confidence up in the Senko today. Which is always a good thing. Just from the same pocket again. I gotta go for a hat trick in here now. I got him. What the heck is happening? I saw these two about this size swimming in this little creek thing. And it's about 3 inches long. Yeah, I'll get my bigger ones eventually. At least I hope. Got him. Of course the bigger one came off. Oh. Oh yeah. This fish weighs more than my 3 combined.
That is not big.
Maybe. It'd be close.
It'd probably be the same.
Yeah. They're caught. Oh. Hey. Damn. Yeah.
It's the same one you lost yesterday.
You think?
For sure.
He was in a different spot. Well.
There was one there.
Ah. Let me unhook you. Hey. Let me unhook you.
What would you say, a pound?
Yeah, I'd give this guy a pound. We don't need. Finally got him.
I want to weigh it.
Nah.
I don't think it's worth weighing now.
Nah. Well, probably a pound. He's kind of fat, but it's fine. We don't need to weigh him yet.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Oh my gosh. I'm just catching the whole nursery today. Yesterday we didn't catch any fish this small. Well, at least they're biting, I suppose. Oh, oh. Oh, he's not finding his way back in the water. Buddy. There we go. Let's go. Hey, Baranya. You already know. Well, he's on a struggle bus right now. Oh God. So is this bass. We'll just, hey, you settle down. There you go. Well, biggest fish right now is a pound. That's not ideal. Okay. What we got?
I think yours is still bigger.
Mine's bigger.
Not gonna lie,
yeah, it was fatter too.
Yeah, it was bigger in general.
It's a start for you.
It's my biggest.
Let's give it 3/4.
Yeah, fair.
Fair enough.
That's mine. That is mine. Fuck off.
Damn, this guy's fighting. Holy crap. Get up here. Oh, he's small.
That's it.
He is kind of tough.
That was
Yeah?
right where my play was. That is literally my fish. Now we're tied. One pound.
Guess I'm just better.
You just got lucky you didn't miss that topic, bro.
Bro, he double hooked himself. This guy ain't coming off. All right, well. Holy crap, this fish is actually a football. All right, actually, he's so fat, we'll gently get him back. Oh my God, how are you up?
You have a better
Like always. That's fine. Got him. Oh, he came off. Nah. It's not that good for you. What have I just hooked? I don't even think it's that good. I think it just took off. I haven't even... Dude, by the way it took off, I thought I had a carp. Oh, no, he's in the mesh. I'd say so. Alright. Dude, I don't know. It's kind of skinny. Now that I have him, I really thought that was a carp. Do we just rip drag? Alright.
You tighten up your drag there, rookie.
Nah, I was tight when he was fighting. Alright, what we got? Oh, what the hell?
There?
1.44.
So 1.5. We'll give it 1.5, right?
Yeah. I mean, we have the exact number if you get...
This is hard to start.
Alright. That fish is fatter than I thought. Yeah, that's true. Wow, he took off instantly. Got one. It's another decent one. Oh my. These fish pull so hard. He's not even... Oh, we're doubled. Oh, mine came off.
Oh yeah, I'm getting away on this one. Yes, sir.
That's not beating 1.44.
Oh, come on now. That's 2 pounds easily.
2 pounds? Hell no.
Yeah, that's more than yours.
Maybe more than mine, not 2 pounds.
2 pounds easily. 2 pounds easily.
Look at that fish. There's no way that's 2 pounds.
You want to just clip him right away? And then I'll take that off?
Yeah, sure. Nah, I'll unhook him. The popper weight's gonna contribute.
Bro, I was saying hook him first and then I'll put the popper on. That's how you get fucking stuck in.
If this fish is more than 2 pounds...
Oh, it has a leech in him.
A leech in
Look
him?
in his mouth on the top. I don't see that. Yo, come on now, come on now. Yo, what'd you say? What'd you say?
You said it was the 2 pounder. 1.56?
You could just dump him straight in. Yes, sir! Take the freaking lead though.
Dude, the one I lost was bigger than that.
Oh,
I'm
did
gonna...
you catch him?
No, I'm just saying, You got him? How deep is he going? And this fish is going everywhere.
That's a 2 pounder. That's smaller than probably the last one.
Yeah, it's smaller. I don't think we need to weigh that one.
Dude, we gotta weigh everything right now.
Every single fish? Alright, well, 1.56 still the lead.
Ooh.
Okay. Yeah, I'll reel my line now. I'm not trying to... Damn, popper's picking up all of a sudden.
Oh.
Now they're like pounder.
1.5 pounds. Weigh him.
Alright, buddy.
Come on, bro. I'm serious, bro.
No. That fish ain't... That ain't winning nothing.
Than the other one at least, not the first one.
Alright, nah.
Alright, I'll give you that.
Alright.
Yeah, I just disappeared.
Damn. I don't know if I should switch to popper now.
Barely hooked, little guy.
I don't know. I'm gonna stick with a Senko a bit longer. We'll see how long that lasts. Oh, what the hell? Oh, he's not even hooked. Oh? No way.
You have a fish?
Oh my god.
No way you had a fish.
I had a fish.
What the fuck? You should have landed. That was...
Dang, you actually got him.
Oh, I think it's the biggest one.
Oh no. I'm about to put the popper on.
No!
Let's go.
Fuck.
Damn, that's good. Well, I'm not undefeated anymore. I caught 2 fish, 0.12 pounds smaller than his. Nothing I can do. We tried our best. We lost some bigger fish. But hey.
GG's. That's on me.
Finally beat me.
Always gonna be me.
Always, huh? Next time, you guys already know I'm winning. I don't lose twice in a row. But you guys will have to find out next time, because I think we're doing another 1v1 challenge real soon. So, on that note, peace out, signing out. See you guys next video. Peace.